Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Intex PureSpa 4-person hot tub spa with 120 bubble jets, non-slip seat, 2-pack, and drink cup holder. With the touch of a button, activate the 120 soothing bubble jets that surround the interior of the spa or adjust the temperature that best suits your comfort level. The slip-resistant PureSpa seat allows you to sit comfortably in the spa and gives you added height with two different height options, 3 and 5.8 inches. Get in your inflatable hot tub and fully relax with a beverage in hand and set it down on this handy Intex PureSpa attachable cup holder and refreshment tray. Product benefits. Pampering yourself is easy with the soothing high-powered jets that give you the ultimate spa experience. Built-in hard water treatment system makes water gentler on skin, clothes, and the entire spa system. Ready for water in about 20 minutes and can be deflated for easy storage or transport. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.